Walking back from Asda meant cutting through the churchyard, meant a moonlit meander down an avenue of graves. They clustered haphazard and lopsided like drunk dogs, tombstones with their edges hanging off, loose slates and chipped headpieces. The 18th century names were roll calls of carpenters, cobblers and parsons' wives, unthreatening and familiar. One evening I saw a skeleton, or more a shambles of wobbly bones, crouched behind the dilapidated resting place of some old yeoman, stable boy, or civic clerk, peering out and softly smiling, like a friendly polar bear, his chalky limbs and strangely fat, sad face, mint white against night air.